welcome to today's Fit in 30 workout. I'm Hannah Cormier, an NBA dancer and creator of Bottoms Up Boot Camp. Today I have some very special guests. I have some of my teammates and also some of my best friends. I have Brooke and then I have Shannon. And you know what? You don't have to be a professional dancer to get these moves. It's all about having fun, breaking a sweat, and toning your body. Remember, you get full access to workouts and more recipes with your FabFitFun membership. So go ahead, sign up for that. But first, we are going to do some stretching. We're going to get our bodies warm for a really fun cardio dance workout. Let's do this. All right, now we're going to stretch right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, down, and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's do shoulders, 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 shoulders. Let's go forward, 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 and release down. Let's stretch back, reach through your legs. Don't worry if you're not flexible. All right, here we go. We're gonna grab your ankles and bend and up, bend, up, bend, up. Ladies, y'all doing all right back there? And walk it in and slowly roll up. Let's do a quad stretch. And I know it's early, so if you're wobbling around like that, that's fine. We are too. Let's get that other leg. Let's tighten our cores. Try to be stable. Stretch. And then over. Around. And over. All right, is everybody feeling warm? Feeling good?
Yeah.
All right, so the first part of this workout, we're gonna teach each move and we're gonna repeat that 8 count 4 times. So if you don't get it for the first time, don't worry, we're gonna keep doing it over and over until you got it, until you feel comfortable. This is a safe place, it's very early, so let's do this. Let's get it started. Y'all ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. Left. So with these workouts, I like to repeat everything right to left. 2, 2, 3, 4. Last time. We're gonna add a clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Last time. Now this is my favorite work. Like this one. Hey, hey, hey. I like this one because I call it the dating app. You swipe right. No, thank you. Let's go. Last time. Hey, it's a match. It's a match. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Hey, raise the roof. Because if your boyfriend sees this, you don't want him to think you're on dating apps. Play it cool. Write it out. And back. Go. Hey, hey. Last time. 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Cheer. Hey. And pump, 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 pump. Y'all remember Gwen Stefani's song? Hey, 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 this is banana. Hey, hey, hey. No, it's Hannah's. Hey, 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 last time. Hey, let's go, ladies, work it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, B-boy. Woo, that was bananas. Hey, let's get those stomachs tight. One more 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hey! Hey, hey! Y'all didn't see that coming? Almost didn't either. Let's go. Throw your hip out. And let's bring it back. Back with B-boy. We're gonna do some jump ropes. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're really working out, because I can hardly talk. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Go to work. Cool, 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 cool. And work. And let's go, ladies and gentlemen. If you're out there, bring it to the side. And everyone. And hey, let's go, let's go. Step, and throw, and throw. Look, if you got stressed, throw it right here. Let's go. Y'all hear them breathing back there? All right, now we're gonna punch, single, and single. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My favorite. 2, 3, 4. And a hair flip. Hey, 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 hey. And a hair flip. Let's go. See you on the court next game. And that is all. All right, so y'all just learned all the moves that we're gonna be doing today. We'll do them a little bit different. We'll speed it up. I'm working out so much that I feel like I have braces again with the cotton mouth. So let's just get a quick sip of water and then we'll get right back to it. These ladies are so awesome. We actually had rehearsal last night. So for me to be able to drive them out of bed this early, really great. And awesome for y'all to drive yourself out of bed. All right, are we ready? Ready? Y'all good? All right, we're gonna go ahead and repeat that one more time, and then we're gonna turn it into a quick dance. So instead of doing the 4-8 counts, we're gonna do it for 1-8 count. But don't worry, we'll do a refresher right now. All right, y'all ready? Let's start with the grapevine. Grapevine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. Let's go. You're halfway done with the workout. We're gonna add a clap. Let's go. Swat the fly. And all my people down south, swat the mosquito. Let's go. Last time. Y'all remember the dating app? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. And no, no. Yes, yes. I don't know which way it goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a match. Throw it up. Throw it up. Hey, raise the roof. Let's go one more time. Play it cool. They were wanting to stay on those apps. Bring it back and bring it forward. And back and forward. And cheer. And hey. And Gwen Stefani all the way. And hey. And hey. And pump, pump, pump. Get low. And hey. Let's take it down. Hey. Oh, whoa. We might not be able to go up. Hey, hey, hey. One more time. And pump, 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 pump. Shannon's not gonna like me after this. Pump, 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 pump. We're b-boying it out. You ready to battle? Next time you're at, high school reunion, bar mitzvah, maybe your quinceañera, you gotta move right here. Now don't tell them it's called the dating app, but let's go. Hit him with that. Then that. Let's go. All right. Hey. One more 8 count. Now we bring it smooth. We just did that. Y'all are doing so good. Keep it up, y'all. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump rope. Can y'all double touch? I can't. Let's go. Bounce. I'm gonna bounce off a set right now. Woo! Let's go. Go to work. And work it out, ladies. Hey, hey, let's go to work. Hey, hey, let's go to work. Show your muscles. Hey, 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 hey. Down. And kick. And kick. And kick. Let's go. Hey. 1, 2. Now we're gonna punch back. Throw, 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 throw. Y'all heard how high my voice got? I'm pushing through like y'all are. We're breaking a sweat. Last 8 count. Favorite part. And hip. And down. And hair. And hip. and down, and hair. Beyonce, and down, and hair. Let's go, and down, and hair. There you go. Okay, so what we're gonna do now that you have all the moves, we're gonna do the moves only for an 8 count. So it'll be more like a routine. So with the Grapevine, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, immediately to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the dating app. All right, I think y'all follow along, so let's get it started. Ready, ladies? Y'all just learned a dance routine, NBA style, maybe not all the way. My coach might be like, Hannah, what are you doing bananas for? So, you know, maybe let's just go ahead and call it cardio dance. That's what we're doing today. All right, let's get started. Music change, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine with the clap into our dating app. Hey, 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 hey. It's a match. Let's go. Hey, throwing, slight work. And back. And hey, and hey. Shannon doesn't like the bananas. Hey, and hey, 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 hey. B-boy. Hey, 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 hey. But she liked that one. Let's go. Playground. 5, 6, 7. You grew up. Hey, you're going to work or get out. Hey, and hey. I wanted to go to work real quick. Hey, and hey. Move it to the side. And hey, and hey. And move it to the side. Let's go. And punch. And punch. Punch, punch, hip, and down, and up. We'll do it one more time because I love it. And down, and up, repeat. Grapevine, Grapevine with the clap. Hey, hey, I forgot I was on the apps. Hey, when you think you've declined it, but then somebody messages you saying you're still on. I never knew that. Hey. Hey, 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 pump it out. And hey, pump it out. Hey, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Play cool. Y'all remember we're going to the playground now. Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8, go to work. Hey, 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 go to work. Hey, let's go, ladies and fellas. Hey. Let's go. And turn it around to punch. And punch. And punch. 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 Punch and hip. And down. And up. And hit. And down. And up. Now we're going to do it one more time, all the way through. And this time, I just want y'all to have fun. Don't think about the moves. If you're over there like going bananas with both hands, that is all on you. It's 9 o'clock and you can do that. So we're gonna start it one more time. Give it all you got. Tighten those muscles. Have fun. Y'all ready to do this? If you need some water, take some time. We should probably get some water too. Because we're gonna put all of our energy into this one. We're gonna give it all we got. All right, y'all ready to let loose? Ladies? Yep. All right. Everybody, remember we start with the Grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Travel. And hey, clap it out. Let's go. Push, push. Hey. Hey. Throw it up. Jump it out. Light work. And back. And cheer. And hey. Hey, 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 here, and punch, and tighten those muscles. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump rope. And 5, 6, 7, 8, go to work. And turn it around, and turn, and turn. And I'm trying not to get to work. My navigation put me in the wrong spot. And do. And turn it around. Hey, we're gonna kick that one out. Act like that one didn't happen. 5, 6, 7. All about having fun. See, I messed this up, but you know what? We all did it together. Thank y'all so much. We're gonna do a quick cool down. Let's go ahead and breathe. Arms up and release. Now just think of what all you've accomplished this early in the morning. Let's do it again, right? Let's go ahead and stretch our arms. Don't worry, I'm not starting another part of a workout right now. But we will have some special news after our cool down. All right, go ahead and stretch those legs. You might be a little sore if you were deep in your plie tomorrow. Don't worry, I've got a remedy for that. And stretch. Take them down. Let's go ahead and bring it down. Because we did a lot of things in plie or in a squatted position. Let's go ahead and bend, and up, and bend, and up, and bend, and up. One more time, bend, and all right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Awesome job today, seriously. You just kicked butt so early in the morning. I'm sweating. I don't know if y'all can see this, but stay tuned because tomorrow there's another free workout for the Fit in 30. So go ahead, get on with your day. It's beautiful. We had a great workout and it's time to rock the world. Thank y'all so much for tuning in.